Yes, dude! Braden, look. I got a pink. Well fucking worn. This is well worn. What's the float? 0.4? How much does this sell for? Oh, $12. That's okay. That's not bad. Oh, I saw pink. Oh! Oh shit! Oh shit! Brayden! Brayden! Holy fuck! Brayden! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes! 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 Oh my god, that's like $1,000! Ah! 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 Oh, 600! Oh, I'm gonna cry! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy fuck! Holy shit! Holy shit! I can't type, I actually can't type. And that's one of the better skins. Oh my god! I need to go tell my mom. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh god. Okay. 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 Brayden? Yes! Yes! I saw the yellow! I saw the knife! I'm so happy! I spent like $60 on this! Oh, yeah! Holy shit! Why? Oh my god, why did my voice go so high? I'm gonna tweet Anomaly and see what he says. No, he'll reply. I'll tell him I'll give to you.